Welcome to U.S. Immigration TV. Well, on December 28, 2021, the USCIS posted a notice for healthcare workers advising that, if eligible, they could have their expiring work permit or Employment Authorization Document, EAD, renewed on an expedited basis. Now, in this video, I'll discuss who is eligible and what the requirements are. So make sure to watch until the end. And you know what? If you have any other immigration concerns or a pending case, make sure to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel, as I'll be posting videos on a wide range of immigration topics. Now let's get right to it. According to the USCIS, the basic requirements for expedited renewal include, number one, the healthcare worker has a pending EAD renewal application, and that's a Form I-765. And number two, the EAD is expiring within 30 days or less, or it has already expired. Okay, now who is considered a healthcare worker? Well, the USCIS has also posted on its website a DHS advisory that lists literally hundreds of jobs that are considered to be healthcare workers. And these include even caregivers. Let me quote from that list. Quote, home care workers, for example, home health care, at-home hospice, home dialysis, home infusion, etc. Another listed healthcare worker includes, and I quote, home healthcare workers, for example, nursing, respiratory therapists, health aides who need to go into the homes of individuals with chronic, complex conditions and or disabilities to deliver nursing and or daily living care. Now, if you are a healthcare worker, I'm sure you realize whether or not this applies to you. Again, according to the website, the USCIS Contact Center, which you would call up, will process these expedite requests. But people have to be prepared to prove that they are truly healthcare workers. Now, to be clear to everyone, this does not mean that all caregivers or other healthcare workers are entitled to, let's say, a standalone work permit. Typically, to be eligible for EAD, the person has been petitioned by an employer or possibly a family member. Maybe they have a legitimate asylum claim or other basis to apply for a work authorization. And so they are eligible and have applied for the work permit as well as adjustment of status. And maybe they already had that work authorization or EAD issued in the past in connection with their pending adjustment application. And that EAD will soon be expiring or has already expired. So if you have not been petitioned or were not eligible to file for adjustment of status or an EAD in the first place, then of course you would not be eligible to renew any EAD, much less asking for expedited processing of a renewal. In other words, I don't want people to start contacting me and say, you know what, I'm a caregiver, I'm a healthcare worker, can I get a work permit? First, you have to be eligible to apply for EAD in the beginning. However, if your work authorization or EAD is expiring within 30 days or you already had it expired and you are a healthcare worker who needs to renew that EAD, I think this benefit could be of great help to you to help you maintain your status or authorization to work. So if this applies to you and you believe you may be eligible, you should contact an attorney who could perhaps evaluate your case, determine your eligibility, and assist you in expediting the renewal of your EAD. Now, I hope for those of you to whom this applies, you have found this helpful. I will continue posting videos on a wide range of immigration topics, which I hope may benefit you or somebody you know, such as family member or friend, as there are breaking news or developments or topics of interest concerning immigration. And so that's why I say it would be very helpful to you, I think, to make sure that you like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And if you have any topics, by the way, that you'd like me to discuss, please post them in the comments and I'll take a look at them. And again, Thank you for watching. I'm Michael Gurfinkel, and this is U.S. Immigration TV.